Welcome to Robo Craftables. In this video, I will be showing you some of the tech specs of the water bottle robot. And so right here, you can see the old design that I had, in the last video. And so I'm going to be showing you the new design that I came up with. It keeps most of the same aspects, just a little bit different. And so here is the new design. As you can see, there's a lot of changes, a lot of little changes. First thing you might notice is the wheels. I decided against the Mecanum wheels. Instead, these are just regular plastic wheels. Over here on this 3D printed part, instead of the circle, I now have my logo. When originally I made it a circle because I didn't have the logo yet, but I have it now, so there it is. Over here, instead of the board, well, I mean the board's still there, it's kind of hidden now, but so it's a smaller board. It's an Arduino Nano instead of an Uno, and I figured it'd be better to use. Those are most of the changes. So now I'm going to be showing you all what's in this robot. So the first thing is, well, I can show you the 3D printed parts. So if I come over here and I just hide everything except the 3D printed parts. So here, these are the 3D printed parts. There's 4 of them. One for the ultrasonic sensor, one for the board, and then 2 motor holders. And so that's pretty much it. They go into the bottle like this and are attached with just some screws. If I enable these, you can see them. There they are. These little ones down here, those are for the motors. If I go ahead and enable that, there you go. And yeah. So the next part, I'm going to show you the wheels. So if I go ahead and enable the wheels, and there we go. Wheels go around the motor. Yep, just like that. I don't think the actual wheels are going to have the shaft sticking out, but it's like this in Blender. It's just a rough draft, like I said. And then the sensors, if I enable this, we have one ultrasonic sensor up here in the front. That's going to be the main sensor. And then also we have a bunch of these little sensors down here, which I'm still deciding on what those are going to be, but for now they're just, I don't know, some generic shape. The next thing is the board. So you can see here we have the Arduino Nano on a breadboard, a mini breadboard. Not the best 3D model, but that is the breadboard. There's 2 breadboards. It's just so I have more control over where the pins can go. Yeah. Okay. And the LEDs. If I enable that, we have the LEDs. We have 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And so that's pretty much everything in this robot. If you have any ideas for the robot, feel free to leave a comment on the video, and I will read them. So I've been looking around at different products to see how much they cost and how many items come with it, and I found a pretty good list that will work for the robot. And a target price that I think I'm going to go for is $30. It might raise, might lower. Depends on what I'm gonna try to do. But yeah. If you like this video or want to support this robot, then leave a like, subscribe, or visit my Patreon page and become a Patreon supporter. Thanks for watching.